What's up, everybody? Other than the check engine light, this is the second scariest light that can come up on your dashboard. In this video, I'm gonna let you know about Tpms. What this light is, what to look out for when it comes up, and how to go about getting it fixed. Tpms stands for Tire Pressure Monitoring System, and that's exactly what it is. This system keeps an eye out on each tire mounted on your vehicle for proper air pressure. Once you see the Tpms light on your dashboard, you should consider pulling over and checking your tires. You don't want to risk the tire going completely flat, which could make matters worse. If you lose a good amount of air in one or more tires, you will see that light turn on. Two things to look out for first. Does the light just stay solid? Or is it blinking constantly? A solid Tpms light is an indicator of low air pressure in one or more tires. A flashing or blinking Tpms light indicates a bad Tpms sensor. Lost signal, either because the battery in the sensor is bad or the sensor is damaged. Next, let's see what you can do to figure out why the light is on and how to go about getting it fixed. To start, visually check all tires from the tread to the sidewall. Look out for any punctures or damages on the tire. Listen for the sound of escaping air in the tire. Look at the tires from the side. Oftentimes you can tell which tires need air just by looking at them. Remove the valve cap if you have one and check the PSI in each tire. The front driver's side tire is at 25 psi, a bit low and could be the culprit. Let's go around and check the rest. Passenger front checks out okay. Right rear is good also. As you go around, look for any punctures or damages to the rest of your tires. The left rear tire looks good also. So we can safely say that the driver's side tire is the one that's causing the Tpms light to turn on. Here we will be using our spray bottle. It has water mixed with soap and is very good for checking for tire leaks. So when you find the tire that is low, use a spray bottle. Check to see if the tire has any leaks. Using the spray bottle with soap and water makes it easier to see. Spray the valve stem so you can see if there's a leak at the seals or valve core. Spray the whole sidewall of the tire. Sometimes there can be leaks around the bead area. To see the recommended air pressure of your vehicle, open the driver's side front door and look for this sticker. If possible, inflate the tire to the proper PSI so you can get the tire repaired if needed. In most cases, if you have a nail or puncture in the tire, it can be properly repaired and put back into service. If the tire is not repairable, you will have to replace the tire. Once the tire is repaired or changed, setting the tire with the proper PSI, driving it for a few miles should turn the Tpms light off. If the Tpms light is blinking and the PSI inside the tire checks out okay, you may have a Tpms sensor with a low battery or a damaged, broken sensor. In both cases, you will need to get these replaced. Here are two examples of common Tpms sensors and the tool used to program these sensors to your vehicle. After Tpms sensors are replaced with a new one, most sensors need to be programmed to the vehicle. With the new programmed sensor into place and with the proper PSI, the Tpms light on your dashboard should turn off.